First day of summer school. New faces, new classroom, new everything. For most students, this is the hardest day of the entire term, especially for the quiet ones. These 5 icebreaker games will get every single student talking, even the ones sitting with their arms crossed. Game 1, word association. One student says a word. The next student says the first word that comes to mind when they hear it. No thinking, no planning, no wrong answers. Whatever comes to mind first, that's your word. Word association works for quiet students because it removes the pressure of being right. There's no worksheet, no grammar check, no evaluation. Just a word. For a student who's afraid of saying the wrong thing, starting here changes everything. Game 2, human bingo. Every student gets a bingo card with personal fact squares. To fill a square, students have to find a classmate who matches. Ask them, get their signature, move on. By the end of the game, students talk to different people. That doesn't happen in a traditional lesson. It happens here because the game gives students a reason to approach someone. The bingo card is just a permission slip to start a conversation. Game 3, name and action. Each student says their name and pairs it with a physical action, something they love doing in summer. I'm Eva and I swim. Then they do the swimming motion. The next student has to repeat all previous names and actions before adding their own. 3 things happen in this game. First, every student hears each name repeated multiple times, so they actually remember each other. Second, the physical action removes the focus from speaking, which is exactly what shy students need. Third, by the time the chain is complete, every student has performed in front of the class and survived. The bar is set. Game 4, the toilet paper game. Pass a roll of toilet paper around the class and tell students to take as many squares as they want. Don't explain why yet. Then comes the reveal. 1 square equals 1 fact about yourself. Watch Leo's face. He took 8 squares. Watch the quiet student's face. She took 2. The format is so clear and so contained that there's almost nothing to be afraid of. Game 5, hot seat. 1 student sits in the chair facing the class. The class asks them any question they want. The student in the seat answers for 60 seconds. Then the next student goes. 5 icebreaker games. 1 first day. Your shyest student will speak. If you want the full first day ESL pack, all 5 games with setup instructions and printable cards, link is in the description. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for a new ESL game every week, and I'll see you in the next one.